Everyone knows the worst part about coming back from your holiday, other than unpacking, is sorting through your washing. Mind the sound of the vacuum in the background, but I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to keep track of your washing when traveling. What I'm about to show you, I'm not the first one to do this, but it makes sorting through your washing so much easier when you come back home from your holiday. Let me show you. Okay. So you have your suitcase, right? When you pack, this is what you need to do. Make sure you pack a bag, whether it be like a plastic bag or like a dust bag from a pair of shoes or a handbag. Pack it in your luggage on top, and then as you go through your holiday, whenever something's dirty or that you've worn, what you're going to do is very simple. You're gonna put all your dirty stuff into that dust bag that you packed, and then here is all your washing that you need to do when you get home. I put this then on top of my packed clothes, and because it's so light and because I flat pack, you can also like just squash it and it fits really easily in your luggage.